This is the solution video for Unit 7 review, problem number 28. All right, so we're given this graph of f. We are told that g of x is 2x times plus the integral from -2 to x of f of t dt. All right, and so we want to find g of 0. All right, so this is, first of all, just a function notation question. So g of 0 is going to be 2 times 0 plus the integral from -2 to 0 of f of t dt. All right, so 2 times 0 obviously is 0, plus the integral from -2 to 0. So -2 to 0, right? So -2 is right here to 0. So we are looking for the area of this trapezoid, right? So area of a trapezoid, 1/2 base 1, which is this left-hand side, which is 2, plus base 2, which is this part, so 1, times the height. The height would be like the horizontal distance times 2. So half of 2 times 2, and so we end up with 3. So g of 0 is 3. All right, so g of -5. All right, so now 2 times -5 plus the integral from -2 to -5 of f of t dt. All right, so 2 times -5, of course, -10, plus now integral from -2 to -5. It makes sense if we flip those, right? And so we put a negative in front. So integral from -5 to -2 of f of t dt. All right, so now, okay, we've got -10 minus whatever this thing is. All right, so now I'm going from -5 to -2. So that means I am interested in this area here from -5 to -3, and then this area here from -3 to -2. All right, so this is a triangle, right? Now, keep in mind, it is below the x-axis, so it's going to be a negative value. So -1/2 base. The base is 2, right? The horizontal distance times the height, and the height would be 4. Right? Or -4, but we accounted for that negative sign there. All right, so I have that, and then I'm going to add to it the area of this triangle up here. And so once again, 1/2 of the base, which is 1, times the height, which is 2. All right, and so we have -10 minus, now here, half of 2, so this is -4, plus half of 2, so that's just 1. So -4 plus 1, and so that's -3. So -10 minus -3, so that gets me -7. All right, so that is part A. All right, and moving on to